people said it won't happen. A lot of money involved. The initial quote was the amounts that people and organizers and other people at the event came to him and go, forget it. Some people told me 2 million, 4 million. Your English is not good enough. Mark will have to ghostwrite it for you. And that's going to cost you $2 or $4 million. So I said, that's okay. I know some people. I've been around the world. I know billionaires around the world and multimillionaires and some like me. I called a couple of people and I said, look, I want to form a syndicate to finance a book with Mark Victor Hansen. I believe Mark will keep his word that we may get an animation movie deal out of it or something. He'll open some doors. I think you'll get a good return on your investment. But most of them said, David, no, before COVID, when you were a man of fame and money, at some point back in the past, we would have gone with you, but not now. I go, don't worry about it, brother. If it's meant to be, if it's God's will, it will happen. Guess what? It happened by God's grace, right? There it is. There's the book.
Beautiful.
It's not a book for the average person.
No.
It's a book for a stoic man or woman. It's a book for somebody who appreciates wisdom. It's not a book for fools. It's
I
not
agree with
bubble
that.
gum, not milkshake and hamburgers.
Right.
And that maybe makes it a bit more of a difficult book to sell, but it's an important book.